never fucking heard of these guys. You fucking heard of them now, haven't you? See, ladies and gentlemen, this is the way that we keep live music alive. Then we support the people we ain't never fucking heard of. Now look, I want y'all to do one more. Okay, y'all did one during sound check, and I want y'all to do one more. And I think that these two over here are really, really gonna like this one. I think these two little rockers right here are really, really, really gonna like this one. So, ladies and gentlemen, Tri-City Saviors, one more. Let's do one more. Come on.